Hi, my name is Ben from First Team 195, the CyberKnights out of Southington, Connecticut, and I'm here to talk to you just a little bit about build and manufacturing. First, I want to talk a little bit about safety. Safety is important both inside and outside of your first competitions. And while having a safe pit is very important and can win you the safety award, most real danger in FIRST Robotics occurs while machining in your build space. Make sure that during build, like at FIRST competitions, you're always wearing your ANSI approved safety glasses and following any other safety rules as provided by your mentor, safety captain, or other build sponsor. For example, when you've completed your task, make sure all machines are left off and as you found them to avoid confusion for your other team members or anyone else who may be using those machines. Have a schedule and stick to it. Build season is a very stressful time for the build team, and deviating from your intended path is all too easy. So make sure you stay focused and stick to your deadlines in an effort to not detract from other portions of the team and their respective duties. Now for prototyping. It is important. Scratch that. It's really important. Make sure you use what materials you have, and as soon as any preliminary design is done or any ideas are formulated, get to work. The best way to know whether or not something is going to work is by creating a proof of concept or other kind of prototype. Remember, they don't have to be perfect and can be made from wood, surplus metals, or even old robot parts. Next, use the kit of parts. For a rookie team, or any team for that matter, the kit base gives you an excellent start to your robot and allows other various subteams such as programming and electrical to get started right after kickoff. Even if you choose to move away from the kit, beginning with it only helps your process. You also have to make sure you keep in touch with your electrical team. Make sure you allow them access to the robot during build so they can alert you if any changes need to be made based on size, components, or anything else like that. Build smart and avoid future stress. If you have any additional materials and/or time, build either extra components or another robot entirely. It is so much better to have too many replacement components than to not have enough. So understand which pieces might have problems and either replicate or fix them. Therefore, you'll be able to replace them if need be. Having a practice bot is a great way to ensure a successful robot because a practice bot can teach you things you may not know about your competition bot either before you put it in the bag or while it is in the bag, such as any mechanical difficulties you might have or any other problems you might encounter based on work of other subteams such as electrical or programming. You've all heard the phrase, measure twice, cut once, so use it. Don't sacrifice quality work for fast work and make sure everything is done right the first time to save both money and materials. Also, when it comes time to manufacture your bot, make sure you do so from fully annotated blueprints as provided from your design team, because otherwise there may be confusion if multiple people attempt to create the same part. Remember, build is a very important part of the FIRST Robotics process and should not be treated lightly. Have fun, but work hard and try to finish a few weeks before build season ends so that you can give electrical and programming a chance on the robot and maybe even practice driving a little too. This has been Build and Manufacturing Tips with me, Ben, of First Team 195, the CyberKnights. You stay classy, planet Earth.